Well, good morning, YouTube. Today is May 19th of 2024. Technically, it's Sunday morning, very early, 1:45. So, boy, hope y'all are having a blessed Sunday. I came in for Saturday night to work, tonight, and it was going along pretty good. And then I had to try to make a key, and the key machine's down. So, yay! One second. I don't know. I think I went too far the other way. Anyway, the key machine was down, and I just got off tech support with the key machine. Spent an hour messing with the key machine. Actually, a little bit more, but some days you come in, it's an easy day, yeah, and you actually don't have to work that much. But then there's those days where you come in and, oh yeah, I actually have to earn your paycheck. Go figure, right? Anyway, it is what it is. I got over to, this is William from Williams, Philippines. I'm sorry. Oh, the fish tried to just swim right through that one, didn't I? Anyway, like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the notification button thing. Okay. Anyway. Very interesting morning. And, yeah, I have drank 5 cups of coffee and barely been here 3 hours. Well, let's see. Yeah, 3 hours. Not even 5 cups of coffee. I might have a bit of a caffeine bounce going. Just saying. Anyway, got over and did my little walkthrough and talked to a few people, and got another one I'm supposed to try to talk to tomorrow about my Dan Wesson at the gun show. I got a couple of low offers. Yeah. And it is what it is. I'll probably try to put it in a place to get a consignment thing going and see if I can, have a better price there. So, and I'll probably try to do that sometime this month so I can have it sit for a while so that folks can decide whether they want it or not. Anyway, yay. Had fun at the gun show though. Yeah, problem was and is a kid in a candy store, and he can't buy any candy, but he has to sell candy. Kids ain't salesmen for candy. And old men ain't really salesmen for guns. We buy them, we don't sell them. And we want more. And to have to go to a place and try to get rid of some. And everybody was wanting to trade for that, but very few wanted to actually, buy. Is what it is. Anyway, well, I hope y'all are having a fun day, and it's Sunday afternoon or around noon in the Philippines. I hope y'all are having an enjoyable day. Can't wait to get there. And yeah, let's see what else. Managed to get the gun show thing done, and I got a new toy in just to find out that it's the wrong new toy. So ended up spending time on filling out support tickets. Yay. Because that's what you want to do on a Saturday afternoon, is fill out a support ticket for something they sent you that's wrong. Yeah. Life goes on. Anyway, I hope y'all, your day was easier than mine. It was long. And I swear, I do not think this app on this phone is actually reading the number of steps I'm taking right. Because, yeah, it was in my pocket, and I know I went around that gun shop or gun show basically 3 times. I mean, that's well over a couple miles of walking today, and it doesn't show me as having a couple miles worth of walking. And then I went out and I walked around the building here, and it moved me 50 steps. It's 50 steps along one wall of this building, not counting the ends or the other side. And I've made 3 trips. So this thing has definitely got an issue. I don't know what it is. I think I'm going to try to get a different app to start tracking and compare them. Put it on a different phone and compare them. It is what it is. Because I know I'm getting more mileage than it's showing me. And that's getting to be irritating. And I don't need any extra irritating. Believe me, just dealing with the key machine was irritating enough. I don't need extra irritating. It just, thank you, irritation's no fun. Don't want it. But it is what it is. So, yay. And, well, I got a longer cable in today, so I'm able to reposition the camera on this thing at a better angle. So, if nothing else, I can reposition it and don't have to try to sit so far over this way that I'm climbing up on top of the countertop to take and do this. I can actually sit over here and be more comfortable and be in line. So, it may only be about 6 inches of movement, but 6 inches gets me off the edge of the counter here and, clears me off that, so that I'm not sitting here pushing myself sideways. I don't know about y'all, but I got enough sideways in my life. Don't need any extra. It is what it is. Anyway, somebody asked about the Bulletproof coffee. It is on the internet. Just type in Bulletproof coffee. And it's mine has a stevia instead of a sweetener, and I use extra milk in mine that's not technically there. I do use the collagen powder and the C8 or CT8 or C8, something like that. It's coconut oil that has been refined down to the better coconut oil. Bulletproof also sells that. It's under that brand. There's a lot of other brands of the same thing, so you don't have to go with just their brand. But yes, Bulletproof coffee. I use the chocolate flavored collagen powder. And yeah, butter, the oil, the collagen powder, coffee. I use half and half or cream, and then the stevia sweetener, liquid stevia sweetener. And for some strange reason, it turns out pretty tasty. I even on occasion will throw in Swiss Miss. And if I'm really feeling childish, I'll do the Swiss Miss with the little marshmallows in it. Okay, we all have our inner child that wants to be tended to once in a while. About the biggest tending to on my inner child is on a rare occasion. I'll go with the Swiss Miss with the chocolate or hot chocolate mix with the marshmallows in it. So, yay! Somebody just texted me. Yay, fun stuff. Anyway, yeah, go ahead and check out Bulletproof Coffee online. I don't know if it's bulletproofcoffee.com or just bulletproof.com, but do a Google search. It'll pull it up and you can get that recipe, and it's pretty good coffee. And the CT oil is a way of putting fuel for your brain so that, because your brain burns oil. And the more of that you do, the less hungry you are, because your mind has fuel and it tricks it into thinking, okay, I don't need any other food, and eats off of this. And getting down into a once a day for a 4-hour window, 6-hour window, depending on you, of eating. Try to keep it at 4. 6 is doable, but don't spread it out past that. And I usually do it in my evening so that I'm not, right there doing it all the time. And then I try to stay up for a couple hours after eating so that I can not go to sleep with a full belly. And it seems to help. That's why I'm getting back into this as a more... I'm diving back into it deeper again. I got wandered off and wasn't doing it. And that's why I ended up gaining weight again. So I need to get back in here. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Yeah, got to try to deal with the wrong product issue on Monday. Hopefully they'll get back with me and we can get that took care of. Yeah, got to send something back. Yay, fun stuff. Anyway, I don't know what I'm going to do today I think I'm going to try to go around and walk the gun show again. I bought admission for 2 days because it was only $2 more, and if I hadn't bought the 2 days, it would have been 8 for today, or 8 for yesterday and 8 for today for 16. So I went ahead and spent the $2. I can wander around there and do it. Anyway, phone's ringing. This is William from Williams, Philippines. Later, blessing, bye-bye. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.